Cross to Alpadres. Tapan ni Media. Ya. Tapan ulit. Ya. Mamadali si Bruno. Oy! Intercept. Foul rep. Was foul rep.
Walang advantage doon. Dalawa sila. Second team pa.
Last ball position. Yeah. Setting a play. Yeah, to Watson. Grabe to cross. Cross using the glass. Yeah. Jersey number 3. Dribble the ball. Setting a play. Last 15 second shot clock. Kuya Roland. Dribble the ball to Sabino. Pinalik kay Mia. Mia, umatake. To Mia. Grabe, gandang connection ng Magkuya.
Magsapustahan nga.
Cruz. To Mia. Ay, pusa. Using the glass. Ganda niya. Jersey number 3. Dribble the ball. Mia. Mia. Matake. Ito, Kuya Roland. Matake. Oy! Grabe.
Lot, sibang depensa.
Yeah, dribble the ball. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 minute shot clock. Almadres. To Gonzon. Dinabot. To Gonzon. To Sabino. To Mia. To Modelo. To Gonzon. To right shot. Oh, grabe si Sabino. Tumira. Wala. Almadres to Cruz. Cruz nagbamadali. Cruz. Umatake si Cruz. Grabe, muntik na yun. Mia. To Gonzon. To Modelo. Modelo. Fake shot. Modelo. 2 points. Time out. Team Lakay. Mia. Mia, umatake si Mia. Offensive foul. Last 15 second shot clock. Mia. To Lazaro. Lazaro. Gonzon. Gonzon, may ababang bola. Just 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Mia. Umatake si Mia. Grabe. Galing ilalim.
Parang hindi niya
Jersey
paborito
number.
na.
Mia, umatake si Mia. Floater. Nakuha ni Jason. Cross, nagmamadali. Cross. Ay, nakuha ni Mia. To Lazaro. To Gonzon. To Lazaro. Grabe. To 14. To Mia. Dito si by Lazaro. Lazaro nagmamadali.
Lap.
Mia to 14. Passing 3. Modelo. To Cross, nagbamadali. Naiwan si Sabino. Cross, grabe step yun. Binali. Cross. Grabe, wala magic shot. Cross. 15 second shot clock. Sabino. Kaya pala ni Gao. Nice one, Gao. Last 10 second shot clock. Sabino to Modelo. Modelo matake. Modelo using the glass. Lista mo. Nababa ang bola. Cruz.
Junard.
Nabantayan ni Sabino. To Webby. Iwan si Gonzon. Webby. Wala. 14 to Mia. To Mira.
Number 4.
Ball rep.
Holding.
Jersey number 4. Holding foul. Oh. Jersey number 4, Modelo. Warning for graduation. Last 6 seconds, shot clock. Cross, foul. Number 3, Pia.
Penalty. Wala pa. Garling.
Warning pa lang po. Last 4 seconds, shot clock. 14. 2. Grabe. MVP mode si Jason. Last 3 minutes.
Ay, malayo pa yan ha. O sige, isa na lang lamang.
Modelo.
O, isang lamang.
Modelo. Modelo, matake. Last 10 seconds shot clock. Mia. Grabe, lakay. Almandres to Cruz. Spot rep. Jersey number 3, Mia.
Penalty.
Last 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Mia, jersey number 3. That's your third personal foul. Penalty. Last draw. Meron o wala?
Mayroon!
Lazaro. Modelo. Modelo, nakapasok. Modelo, turnaround shot! Gison, nagpapadali. Gison, binalik! Wala.
Technical!
Last 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Last 17 seconds shot clock. Sabino. To last 2 minutes. Sabino passes free.
Layo.
Cross. Grabe. Favorite shot. Sabino, first draw. Nag-training ka ata. Not. Sabino, last draw. Cross, nagpapadali. Yeah, pass free. Johnson to Lazaro. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Lazaro. Patay oras. Last 14 seconds shot clock. Foul. Jersey number 20. Almandres. Easy shot. Tapos. Foul. First draw, wala. Last draw. Jumpers, ready.
Mayroon! Wow!
Lazaro. Lista mo na yan. Modelo. To Mia, to Modelo. Last 50 seconds. Foul. Mia, number. That's 45 seconds. Yeah, music the glass. Foul. Fans. In the fourth and final quarter. Last 9 na pala. Last 38.5 seconds. Meow. Last 31.4 seconds. Wow!